In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and where to find the Zendesk API key. This process is essential for anyone looking to integrate Zendesk with other applications or customize their customer service solutions more deeply. Let's dive right in and guide you through each step clearly and concisely. First, you'll need to visit the Zendesk website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to zendesk.com. This is the platform where you'll be working from to generate your API key. Once there, you should see the sign in option on the top right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed to the login page. Now enter your registered email address and password to access your Zendesk account. It's important to ensure that your login credentials are accurate to avoid any interruptions. After entering your details, click on the sign in button to log into your account successfully. Once you're into your Zendesk portal, you'll find a settings icon, usually in the bottom left corner of the page. Click on the icon, which will provide you with a menu of different settings options. Among these options, locate and select Go to Admin Center. This is a critical step as the Admin Center holds the tools you'll use to manage API keys. Within the Admin Center, look for apps and integrations in the sidebar. Clicking here will open another range of options, and you'll want to proceed by selecting Conversations API. This section is where you'll create and manage the API tokens necessary for various integrations. Next, you'll need to provide a name for your API key. This can be anything that helps you identify the key's purpose, like the application name or project name it will be associated with. Once you've decided on a suitable name, click on the Next button to move forward in the process. The final step is to copy the ID of your newly generated API key. This ID is essential for linking Zendesk with whichever service or application you are integrating with. Highlight the ID and copy it to your clipboard or securely store it for later use. And there you have it, a straightforward way to generate a Zendesk API key, providing you with the means to connect with other platforms and enhance your customer service capabilities. Remember to keep your API key secure, as it is sensitive information that should not be shared publicly or with unauthorized parties. If you followed along, you now have the tools needed for effective Zendesk integrations. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.